In this video, we're going to look at the hardest past tense aspect in English, the past perfect continuous. What is it? Why do we use it? And naturally, what's the formula, which we'll come to at the end. I know many students that really struggle with this tense aspect, so I want to help clear the confusion. Let's begin with why we use it. We use the past perfect continuous to talk about a process that began and finished in the past. And it happened before another event took place that also finished in the past. We use this tense aspect to highlight that it was a process, not just an event. For example, Louise had been painting her bedroom when she ran out of paint. Jim had been investing too much money into a company that went bankrupt. These sentences are in the past perfect continuous. So, why can't we use a simpler past tense aspect? To find out, we're going to compare this aspect to the other past aspects to help make sense of it. We're going to use, however, a much simpler example in order to explain, to help you understand. Meet Kathy. Kathy went on a diet. She was on the diet for 3 months. After being on this diet, she became a vegetarian. Now, what do we want to convey here? We want to emphasize that Kathy started a diet in the past for a period of time before she became a vegetarian. Which past tense aspect will accurately tell this information? Is it going to be the simple past? Can we do it with the past perfect? Maybe the past continuous? Or the past perfect continuous? So let's look at this example, starting with the simple past. Kathy dieted when she turned vegetarian. Does this sentence tell us what we want to say? Did she diet in the past? Yes. Did it go for a period of time? We don't know. Did it happen before she became a vegetarian? No. The simple past suggests that she actually became vegetarian first and dieted second. This tense aspect has not accurately reflected our story. Therefore, we wouldn't use this aspect for this particular story. Let's look at it in the perfect past. Kathy had dieted when she turned vegetarian. So, let's check now to see if this one will do the job. Did she diet in the past? Yes. Did it go for a period of time? No, not in this sentence. Did it happen before she became a vegetarian? Yes. The order of events are clear in this particular sentence, but what isn't clear is the amount of time her diet went for. In the past continuous, Kathy was dieting when she turned vegetarian. Now, let's apply our test. Did she diet in the past? Yes. Did it go for a period of time? Yes. Did it happen before she became a vegetarian? Yes. So, what's wrong with this tense aspect for this sentence? It's inaccurate because earlier we said that Kathy dieted for 3 months and then she became a vegetarian. This aspect is telling us, however, that Kathy became a vegetarian during the time of her diet instead of after. So whilst it's technically correct, it's not telling us Kathy's story accurately. Now let's see this sentence in the past perfect continuous. Kathy had been dieting when she turned vegetarian. So let's do the test. Did she diet in the past? Yes. Did it go for a period of time? Yes. Did it happen before she became a vegetarian? Yes. This sentence tells us that her dieting finished before she became a vegetarian. It also tells us that the diet lasted for a period of time. The most important piece of this tense aspect is the phrase had been. This clearly tells us 3 things. 1, it tells us which event came first. In this case, dieting. 2, it tells us that the first event was a process. And 3, it tells us that both events finished in the past. All of these points distinguish the past perfect continuous from the other past tense aspects. So now let's look at the formula. We start with the subject plus had been plus the verb and ing. Bye for now.